What's up YouTube? It's your girl Hannah Monet. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be on the Monkey app trolling people. Okay? So today we're gonna be trolling people on the Monkey app, but I'm gonna put a little bit of a twist to it. I'm gonna be doing my makeup like terrible. And I'm gonna see how these people react to my bad makeup skills. What is the Monkey app, you ask? Well, I'm gonna tell you. The Monkey app looks like this. Is that right? Okay.
So, Monkey is about making friends and having fun. A social app where you can share who you are and meet like-minded people in seconds.
It's almost like you FaceTiming random people all over the world. You don't know who you gonna get. So, let's get into it.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
I just know I'm gonna get my little feelings hurt on here. This little first one out the way, I'm gonna be straight. I can't stop laughing. I'm telling these folks that I'm from Cali, by the way, because I'm not gonna tell them where I actually reside. What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Look nice. Wait for me.
I look nice? What's up? Huh?
What's up with you?
Nothing. Where you from?
I have some time.
Huh? Oh, they're making me mad. They're not responding. So I'm gonna do a little bit more drastic because I want somebody to say something to me. Hurt my feelings. Call me out. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I need to get closer to the camera. That's the thing too. 29.
Hey.
What's up?
You so gorgeous.
Fuck you lying. Why you always lying?
I don't know what the man. You look like a.
Woo. Thank you. Thank you.
Anna.
I appreciate it. What's up? Are you okay? Are you gonna live? What's up? Why you looking like that?
Not you.
Why you look like that? Why you look at me like that? Oh gosh, that was funny. What's up? Where you from?
Louisiana. Where you?
I'm from Cali.
Why you wear makeup?
Huh? You said why I wear makeup? I like makeup. You don't like it?
I'm not saying I don't like it, but I bet you look better without it though.
Boy, if you don't...
I don't know. I think I look better with it. It takes a lot of time, you know, but I like it.
That's a bit. You still cute though.
I'm still cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Even though, you know, you got your makeup on. You do your own makeup?
Yeah, I do my own makeup. I'm a makeup artist, so.
Y'all call yourself the MUAs.
Yep. Yeah. I feel like you don't like it. I feel like you don't like it.
Huh?
I said I feel like you don't like it.
No, I never said I don't like it.
Alright. He was nice. He's trying to be nice. That was nice. He said, I bet you look better without it. What's up?
I like light-skinned black woman. You get me?
What?
I like one of them that's black skin.
You like black skin?
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
First time.
No. You like black skin. Get away from me.
2 hours later.
Hey, real talk. She like that, man.
Hello?
She like a transgender.
Hello?
What's wrong with you, eyebrow?
Huh?
You glued that shit on that
My eyebrows always look like this. Hello? What's funny? What's funny?
You're proud.
Hello? Hello? Why you laughing? Why you laughing? At time. Why you laughing? Why you laughing? Yeah. What's funny? What's funny?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you? What are you laughing at? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I did this for a video. All right. Hello?
At time.
Huh?
At time. Yo.
What? No, I don't want to have time.
You got a unibrow.